Yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yup, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days.
Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J.
If you get what I get, what would you say? He whacks it on and off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper, look at me now, look at me now, yeah. Fresh than ever, what? Little nigga bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every nigga that try to be on my shit. Better keep your man if he with it, I can get it, cause he accidents and fall on my crack. Oops, I said on my crack, I really mean to say on my crack, but since we talking about my crack, all of you haters say hi to that. I'm done. No, really though, I ain't done. Hey. Cause I feel like I'm running in a pain, like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. See, they don't really wanna pop me, just know that you never flop me. And I know that it could be a little cocky. Oh, you never gonna stop me. Every time I come, nigga, gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut every little thing a nigga think it be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna thinking about everything and anything, bada boom, bada bing. I gotta do a lot of things, make it clear to a couple niggas that I'm always on it. Gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death now, move a little foul, nigga better call a rep and everybody know my sound. Niggas know I'm the best when I come and doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I banging in the west, and I'm gonna give you more, I'll never give you less. You will hear it in the street, you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? See that we behind it when you're up in the race, and you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace, and we're struggling to hustle and sending it and getting it. Always gotta do it, take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne, but I know I gotta have it. Look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper, look at me now, look at me now, yeah. Fresh than ever, what? Man, forget these haters, how y'all doing? I'm no Tunchi, I'm a nuisance, I go stupid, I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi, I'm the shit, I'm pollution or substitution. Now I'm chillin', playing movies in my jacuzzi, flow is juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater, got money on my radar, dressed like a skater, got a big house, came with the elevator. You niggas ain't eatin', go tell a waiter. Molly said shoot him and I said okay, if you wanna bullshit then I'm like Olay. Don't care what you say, so don't even speak. Your boyfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil, that's word to my flag. And my leg red, I'm out of my head, you don't matter my mind. From the bottom I climb, you ain't harder than mine. Nope, none of my time, and I'm not even trying. What's poppin', slime? Nothing vibing. If they trippin', forgetting vibe. Ain't got no time to shuck and drive. These niggas as sweet as pumpkin pie. Rockin' Sprite on a private bike, bitch. I've been tight since God and light. And my pockets white, my diamonds white. My mama's nice and my daddy's gone. Yo, please be scared, cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, no try, I put it down. I'm so young money. You got eyes, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper, look at me now, look at